The Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County is a magnificent place, a true testament to the wonders of our natural world. As you step through its grand entrance, you are immediately transported into a realm where history and nature intertwine. The museum holds a vast collection of treasures from our natural world, each exhibit telling a unique story. From the shimmering beauty of mineral collections to the awe-inspiring presence of dinosaur skeletons, every corner of the museum is filled with marvels waiting to be discovered. Visitors can journey through time and explore the wonders of our planet. The museum's exhibits are meticulously curated to provide an immersive experience, allowing you to walk through different eras and witness the evolution of life on Earth. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, there is something for everyone to discover. The intricate details of the insect displays showcase the incredible diversity of life, while the massive whale skeletons hanging from the ceiling remind us of the grandeur of the natural world. The museum's mission is to inspire wonder and understanding. It aims to ignite a sense of curiosity and appreciation for the natural world in visitors of all ages. Families can explore together, creating lasting memories as they learn about the planet's rich history. It aims to connect people to nature and its history. Interactive exhibits and knowledgeable docents provide engaging and educational experiences, making the museum a place of learning and discovery for everyone. Through its exhibits and programs, the museum encourages visitors to learn about the natural world and their place in it. Educational programs offer deeper insights into various topics, from paleontology to environmental science, fostering a greater understanding of our planet's past, present and future. Whether you are a seasoned naturalist or a curious beginner, the museum offers a captivating experience. The diverse range of exhibits ensures that there is something to pique the interest of every visitor, making each trip to the museum a unique adventure. It is a place where you can learn, explore and be amazed by the diversity and beauty of our planet. The Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County stands as a beacon of knowledge and inspiration, inviting all who enter to embark on a journey through time and discover the wonders of the natural world. One of the museum's most popular attractions is its Dinosaur Hall. This hall is a gateway to a world that existed millions of years ago, a world dominated by the mighty dinosaurs. As you step through the entrance, you are transported back in time to an era when these magnificent creatures roamed the earth. Here, visitors come face to face with giants from the past. The expressions of awe and wonder on their faces are a testament to the enduring fascination with these prehistoric beings. Families, students and tourists alike are captivated by the sheer size and grandeur of the exhibits. The towering skeletons of Tyrannosaurus rex and Triceratops are awe-inspiring. Standing next to these colossal bones, one can only imagine the power and presence these creatures had when they were alive. The meticulous reconstruction of these skeletons allows us to appreciate their true scale and complexity. These exhibits are not just for show, they are the result of years of research by paleontologists. Each bone, each fossil, tells a story of a time long gone. The dedication and hard work of these scientists bring these stories to life, allowing us to learn more about the history of our planet. The museum's collection of dinosaur fossils is one of the largest and most significant in the world. It includes rare and unique specimens that provide invaluable insights into the lives of these ancient creatures. The carefully curated exhibits showcase the diversity and evolution of dinosaurs over millions of years. Scientists continue to make new discoveries from these fossils. Each new find adds a piece to the puzzle of our planet's past. The ongoing research and exploration ensure that our understanding of dinosaurs is constantly evolving. They are constantly learning more about these incredible creatures that once roamed the Earth. The work of paleontologists not only helps us understand the past, but also inspires future generations to explore the wonders of science and history. The age of dinosaurs may be long gone, but its legacy continues to captivate and educate us. The museum's Gem and Mineral Hall is a dazzling display of Earth's hidden treasures. Visitors can marvel at shimmering diamonds, rubies and emeralds, The collection includes rare and precious stones from around the globe. Each gem and mineral tells a story about the Earth's formation. They offer clues about the processes that have shaped our planet over millions of years. The museum also has meteorites on display. These rocks from space provide insights into the origins of our solar system. The Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County has a rich history that spans over a century. It was founded in 1913, a time when Los Angeles was rapidly growing and evolving. Since its inception, the museum has been a beacon of knowledge and inspiration for countless visitors. Over the years, the museum has grown significantly both in size and in the scope of its collections. From its humble beginnings, it has expanded to include a vast array of exhibits that cover everything from ancient fossils to contemporary art. The museum has not only expanded its collections, but also its research facilities and educational programs. These additions have allowed it to become a leading institution in the fields of natural history and science education. Through it all, the museum has remained dedicated to its mission of education and conservation. Staff members work tirelessly to ensure that each exhibit is both informative and engaging, providing visitors with a deeper understanding of the natural world. The museum is housed in a beautiful historic building that stands as a testament to early 20th century architecture. Its grand facade and intricate details make it a true architectural gem in the heart of Los Angeles. Today, the Natural History Museum is not just a place for learning, it is a landmark in Los Angeles and a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage. It continues to inspire and educate future generations, ensuring that the legacy of Los Angeles' rich history is never forgotten. Section 5. Bringing the past to life. The Natural History Museum is committed to making learning fun and engaging. The museum offers a variety of educational programs for all ages. These programs bring the natural world to life through interactive exhibits, workshops, and behind-the-scenes tours. Visitors can participate in hands-on activities. They can touch real fossils, learn about animal behavior, and discover the secrets of the natural world. The museum's educators are passionate about sharing their knowledge and inspiring a love of science in others. Section 6. Exploring our world inside and out. The museum's exhibits cover a wide range of topics. Visitors can explore the diversity of life on Earth, from the depths of the ocean to the tops of the rainforest. The museum also has exhibits on human history and culture. One of the highlights is the Hall of Mammals. This hall showcases the incredible diversity of mammals, from tiny bats to giant elephants. Visitors can learn about the unique adaptations that allow mammals to thrive in different environments. Section 7. A living laboratory. The Natural History Museum is more than just a museum. It is also a leading research institution. Scientists at the museum conduct research on a wide range of topics. Their work helps us to better understand the natural world and our place in it. The museum's research collections are invaluable resources for scientists around the world. These collections include millions of specimens, from fossils and insects to plants and animals. Section 8. Inspiring future generations. The Natural History Museum is deeply committed to inspiring future generations of scientists and conservationists. The museum offers a variety of educational programs for students of all ages. These programs provide hands-on learning opportunities and encourage students to pursue exciting careers in STEM fields. The museum also partners with local schools and community organizations. Together, they work to bring the wonders of science to underserved communities. Section 9. A museum for everyone. The Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County is a place for everyone. Whether you are a local resident or a visitor to the city, the museum offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It is a place where you can learn, explore, and be inspired by the wonders of the natural world. The museum is easily accessible by public transportation. It offers a variety of amenities, including a cafe, gift shop, and family restrooms. Section 10, A World of Wonder awaits. The Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County is a treasure trove of knowledge and wonder. It is a place where you can travel through time, explore different cultures, and discover the incredible diversity of life on Earth. A visit to this museum is an unforgettable experience. It will leave you with a sense of awe and a deeper appreciation for the natural world.